Right, everybody, I want you to just watch, and just now you're going to be able to make your own little craft. I'll show you at the end. All you need to do now is watch. Do you remember those three big words? Transparent is see-through, translucent is nearly see-through, and opaque is not see-through. But today we're going to talk about something. I want to know if this sticky tape roll is transparent. Is this transparent? No. This is a space. Can you see that? So I can put the stick through here. So that shows me it's a space. Let's look at this packet. This is a transparent packet. I can put my fingers in it. And you can see my hand in the packet and you can hear it crinkling. But here at the top, there's a little hole and I can put my stick through it. So the hole is not transparent, it is a space. Tricky. Let's look at this doily. This is opaque and this pattern here is not transparent. No, it's opaque with little holes, with spaces. And look how I can test. I can put my toothpick through the spaces. So be very careful that you don't get tricked and think that something that has got nothing there is transparent. That is known as a space. Let's look at the abacus. Look at this cute little abacus. These are not transparent, they are spaces. Look, my stick can go through. Now it gets quite tricky. Look at this lace. Is the lace transparent? Well, let's have a look. If I look ever so carefully, and if my camera comes closer, you will see that in actual fact there are little holes. I'm poking through the holes. Can you see there? There we go. The stick can go right through, and I didn't make a hole in the fabric. Now this net has got a bigger space. Now the mosquito netting that you've got on your windows is similar to this. You can see my hand through it, but the net is not transparent. It's made up of opaque webbing like that, because look, it's got a space. There we go. It comes right through without making a hole. Now I just wanted to show you these because they're so cute. These are cookie cutters to make cookies, but they are not transparent. They've got spaces. Yes. Now what you're going to do today, you're going to make your own little frame. So you need 8 of these ice cream sticks, and you need a surface to work where you can build and leave it to dry. So your first job, oopsie daisy, there's my little earbud. Your first job is to put glue on two edges. 1, 2, and now I want you to work on a flat surface. Can you see there's glue there? You must be working in a place where it's safe. Mum doesn't mind if you make a little bit of a mess. Now I put those down and I'm making a box. It's a square. Do you remember? 4 corners, 4 sides equal, and I must leave it to dry. Now I already made my square and you have to make 2. So I've got 1, 2 squares. Leave them to dry for a long time, maybe even till this afternoon or until tomorrow. The other thing you'll find in your pack is this transparent piece of plastic. Yes, so you are going to put glue all along there, all along the top one. When this one is dry, all along we're going to put glue on the top one and there. Now when you put your transparent plastic on, be very careful, because if you smudge, it's not going to be transparent anymore. Can you see what I'm doing? I'm putting it down, I'm rubbing it gently, And I just want to tell you, if your sticks don't look exactly like this, I didn't have enough small sticks. So some of you are getting small sticks, some of you are getting big sticks. Leave it to dry. Now this one is already dry. So here I have 2 frames. This one has a space. I can put my hand right through it. This one has a transparent film there, just like the ones on your spectacles last week. I can see you, I can see you, but this is a space and this is transparent film. If I want to, I can use my Kokies to decorate and make a pattern. Cross, circle, cross, circle, cross, circle. You don't have to make a pattern, but I think I'm going to make a pattern all the way around because we've been learning about patterns. What's my rule about the lids? Put them down. Spare Koki down. So I'm going to go green and red. What comes next? Green and red. And I'm going to finish my pattern all the way around. So remember, you have to check if your hand can go through or something can go through. It's a space. If there's something blocking you there that you can still see, then that is transparent. I hope you enjoy making your frames and I hope you enjoy playing with them. Be very careful, they're quite delicate, but they are fun. See you later, alligators. In a while, crocodile.